back at it again, man. This what I'm working on today, man. I'm telling you, man. These cars keep me going. Hey, basically it's camshaft position sensor. Basically, it throw the light, and as you see, it's almost time for inspection, so I gotta go and switch that out. It's real simple. It came from this hole right here. It's simple. I already been to AutoZone and got it. Video ain't gonna be long at all. So if you got a Chrysler 300 and you need to know what a camshaft position sensor is, this is what it look like. Brand new, you understand me? Look at that. This might be one of the easiest fixes I done did on one of my cars, Look at that. Look at that. I did it with one hand. I got the other hand on the phone. Video ain't gonna be long at all. Look at that. Then you just put your get your hole lined up. Put your screw back off in there. You connect it right here, you're done. So if you're having camshaft position sensor problems on a Chrysler 300, it's that simple. It's that simple. Let's see if I can get it. 13mm socket. 13mm socket's all you need, huh? That's it. Look at that. I'm done. What? Take no time. Hey, JT's is out. Look at that. Look. Bad boy tight, man. Look at that. JT's is out, man. Hey, we gonna do it again. Appreciate y'all for looking. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hey, man, I'm just doing my thing.